Hi, I'm Darren Lockaby, President of DESS USA, and I'd like to make you aware and invite you to attend a 4-part webinar series that we're going to be putting on starting May 29th. It's going to be covering our PNP, which we creatively named for Plug and Play. So we're going to be having this series. PNP is really an FDA-cleared way for laboratories and or clinicians to mill abutments in-house with FDA clearance using our process and our 510K number. It's a workflow, 6 steps that you choose from a menu of options. Love to share more with you about it. And if you join us, by the way, we are going to be having some exciting giveaways from us and some of our partner vendors, which will include ExoCAD, Medit, Axis Milling, to name a few. So each episode will have this giveaway. Don't want you to miss it. Please register as soon as you possibly can. We look forward to hosting you and learning more together about PNP.